Welcome to the empty quarter, the largest sand desert in the world, covering some 250,000 square miles. Out here, temperatures hit 50 degrees centigrade, and there are dunes more than 800 feet high. Okay, we have six-wheel drive with a power split 30-40-30 across the axles. Check. Stronger front springs from the armoured version of the G-Class. Check. Locking dips. Oh, we've got those. The most you'd expect normally would be 3. On here, 5. And you lock them using these buttons in different ways. Right, let's go. These are big dunes. This is not a sand mountain I'm on right now. 3 3/4 tons of Mercedes is doing this. It just doesn't feel right. This extra axle, these 2 extra wheels, it changes the way the 6x6 travels over the ground. It undulates, it feels supple. It's like blasting through the desert dunes, riding a sinew. Come on. Oh, I'm in. Yeah. I got some air. Sorry, everybody. Intoxicated by what the Merc could do, I drove deeper and deeper into the empty quarter. Right, where does it go now? Oh my God! Oh! Oh, for crying out loud. I wouldn't ski down that. Okay. On the top. Oh, very unpleasant. Not nice. It's vertical. I'm in a car, I'm having a plane crash. I'm still going down! Oh, what a stupid place. I hate it. Ahead, I saw a nice, flat desert floor and decided that was a much safer place to be. It's drifting! Now it's a rally car! A gigantic rally car! And let's not forget, I'm not having to shout over this. It's not rah in here. I'm still cocooned in luxury. It's an amazing device. Now, when you take an off-roader across sand, the standard practice, as I've done, is to let some air out of the tyres to give them a bigger footprint. Now I'm going back on tarmac, so I need to re-inflate them. All I've got to do is operate these overhead switches. Feel like a jet pilot. Compressor on. Going up. And they can re-inflate all of these tyres in under a minute. Oh, I love this. If I did this in Ledbury, I'd be mobbed by now. Leaving the empty quarter behind, I headed back towards civilization.